Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about Microsoft's emergency updates, that is KB5066-188 and KB5066-189, released to fix a serious recovery issue on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So you must be wondering what really happened. So after the recent August updates, many users discovered that reset this PC and other recovery tools completely broke. You would start the reset, the system would reboot and then roll back with an error saying no changes were made. Even features like fix problems using Windows Update and remote wipe for managed devices failed. So Microsoft quickly pushed out the emergency patches. The KB5066-188 for Windows 10 version 21H2 and 22H2, the KB5066-189 for Windows 11 version 22H2 and 23H2. So these out of band updates restore the recovery functions so that you can once again reset your PC, use your cloud recovery, or perform the report wipes without issues. So to fix it, you just have to go to the settings of your Windows. Over here in your settings, you need to go to the Windows Update. Over here, click on the option of check for updates, then install the patch for your version. Afterwards, you need to restart your PC and recovery tools should be back to normal. So if you noticed recovery problems after the last update, this emergency fix is the solution. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.